Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. So it's been a while that I made an investment video, and quite frankly I've been busy hammering out a lot of meal plans and calorie videos because a lot of my subscribers love to see those videos and I love to talk about these topics. But recently I've noticed a video that I made about 2 months ago called 2 renewable energy stocks to buy right now. I got my notes here, so if I look here guys, don't think that I'm crazy or anything. But that video that I made about 2 months ago is starting to pick up now and is getting quite a bit of an attraction. If you guys haven't watched that video, I highly recommend you guys do watch it, because if you guys did buy some shares of these companies at that like 2 months ago, right now you would have been sitting on some gains. So here's the link. So this tells me that you guys want to see more of these renewable energy stocks, and I understand why. It's projected that by 2050 that nearly 40% of all electricity generation will be from renewables. And not only that, Joe Biden is now going to be the new president starting next year. And this guy has a $2 trillion check ready to give to the renewable energy sector. In fact, they want to have renewable energy dominate the entire United States by 2035. 15 years sooner than expected. I mean, that's fast, and that's a lot of money being invested, and I want piece of it. So in this video, I'm going to be completely honest. I'm going to show you guys my entire renewable energy portfolio, showing you guys how much money I've made, how much shares I have of these stocks, and we're going to talk about these stocks, just my overall outlook. I'm not going to go too details with the stocks or go too deep in them, because this video will be an hour long and that's just too long, and so it's going to get quite boring. So we're just going to keep it short and simple. If it's your first time watching one of my videos, welcome to the Nature Boy or the Pidgey channel. And on this channel, we talk a lot about nutrition, fitness, and calories. Well, a lot about calories because I've been doing it all my life and I just love the topic. And investing in the stock market, I've been doing it for a decade and I completely love it, and I think I can give you guys some great value. So if you guys want to look good, feel good, and make some money while you're at it, subscribe and hit the notification bell and you won't be disappointed. All right, let's begin. The investment glasses must come on. Before we start, guys, please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Any stocks you guys want to buy should be researched out by you and you only, not by some guy on the internet. This video is only for entertainment purposes. Let's go ahead and take a look. I'm using Yahoo Finance here because I have 3 different portfolios and all of them for different reasons, and I do have renewable energy stocks in all of them. So I just put everything here in Yahoo Finance, so it's just easier to go just to look at one place, and everything here is exactly as what my own portfolio says. By the way guys, I'm filming this on Sunday, November the 15th. So the first stock that we have here is AQN.TO or Algonquin Power and Utilities, and right now I have 620 shares of it. And this was my first ever investment when I started investing in the stock market, which was about 7 or 8 years ago. I believe I started off with only like 50 shares or 40 shares, and now over time I kept buying the dips over time, and I'm here at 620 shares with the average price of $16.25. So far, this stock has only made me about 29%, which is not the best because I've been holding on to this stock for about 7 years, but it's been adding up over time. So, I mean, this is a long-term deal. It's not a short-term deal. So this is something that you would definitely reap the fruits in the next 5 to 10 years. And right now at the current video, it's they're paying about 3.88% of dividends. This company and the entire industry has a huge growth ahead of them, and the industry, in my opinion, I mean, it's just getting started. Don't forget Joe Biden's, $2 trillion, check gonna give to this renewable energy space. I'm sure Algonquin is gonna get quite a bit of that. Now, what I really love about this company is that they are very aggressive with the renewable energy plans. They are planning to double their renewable energy utilities by the next 2 to 3 years. They're going to double it, and so that's something that I really like to see. If we go ahead and take a look at their quarter 3 2020 results, they did okay in terms of sales and profits, but they did beat the earnings per shares estimated by analysts by 2 cents, which is really good to see. This stock is better than putting your money in a savings account because, I mean, it gives a much better return. It gives you dividends, and what do savings account give you nowadays? Like 1%, 1.5% max. And so this is a company that it's a really good long-term bet. You're betting in the right industry, and you will see the fruits in the next 5 to 10 years. This is a company that I will definitely buy more on the dips, maybe in the 1850 to 1875 range if it goes down that low, which I kind of hope it kind of does so I can buy more. But if it doesn't, then we're just gotta, just enjoy the fruits, I guess. I think it's a fair price at the moment. Even the PE is saying that's about 20-ish in the 22s. So I think, it's a fair price to buy right now. This is a stock that, you buy just for the dividends, really, and for the long-term growth. You don't care about if it goes down one day or the other. You just don't care about that kind of stuff. This is more of a long-term buy and hold. That's what this company is. And if we look at the whole entire chart of this company, it's uptrending as well. All right, so the second stock that I have here, guys, is NPI.TO or Northland Power. I have 270 shares. And guys, I love this stock. It's literally my favorite stock of 2020. And I bought this right before the crash. Yeah, But I did lower it up during the crash, giving me the average price of $31.28, which is not bad at all, given the price to what it is now. Right now, guys, I'm up a staggering of 37%, which is just awesome, knowing that hasn't even been a year yet that I bought the stock, which is amazing. And this is excluding dividends, by the way. Speaking of dividends, they give about close to 3% of dividends at this price, but they are increasing it year over year as well. So this is a fantastic place to, put your money and get a good passive income. Now, if we go ahead and look at the quarter 3 2020 results, they did pretty good. The sales and profits are there, but what's crazy is the EPS, earnings per share, was beaten by a long shot. Look at that range, how much they beat it. It's absolutely unbelievable. The growth of this company is unbelievable, and I really do love this company, and the future of this company is extremely bright. I mean, overall, just look at the growth between 2016 to 2020 or 2019 is absolutely unbelievable. They are growing very rapidly, and they're in a perfect position for growth. Personally, for me, guys, I'm definitely gonna buy on the dips. I mean, I would honestly zoom more on this stock than Algonquin, in my opinion, because Northland Power is 100% renewables, 100%. Algonquin is only like right now 30%. Northland is 100% right now, and this is a company that I really want to focus on, and definitely I will buy more in the $40 range or below if it goes down that low, which I kind of hope it does. And if we look at the chart with the history, it's uptrending, and it's a solid stock. All right, the next stock that I have here, guys, is RNW.TO or Transalta Renewables. I have not talked about this stock on my channel, and that's for good reason, because it is kind of a risky stock. They do have a fantastic balance sheet, but if we just look at their sales and profits, they're not consistent with it, and it's just not on a incline. It's more of a stagnation and decline. And the earnings per share report, if we just look at that, I mean, that's just being missed all the time. Although I do believe in an industry and they are doing the right moves, I think, I'm really thinking of selling this stock in the near future. This is a stock that I have been swing trading for some time now because of the risk, and I have made some good money from it. But recently I bought because, during the crash, guys, I bought like at $14, $14.16. That was the price that I bought it for. Right now, I'm up 20%. And I am thinking of selling the stock, to be honest. But you guys really can't miss the dividends of 5.51%. It's a great place to put your money for monthly income if you don't care if the price goes up or down. The dividends on this company is safe. The PE ratio is extremely high. It's in the 50s right now. And honestly, I'm not really too comfortable with this. I'd rather take this money out and buy Northland with it, because it has a more of a solid business and they're doing everything right. But Transalta Renewable is a fantastic stock to put your money in for the next 10 to 15 years. If you got money that you don't care, you guys can put it in the stock, enjoy the dividends on a monthly basis, and just watch it grow as the years go by. If we look at the chart here as well, it is also uptrending as well. All right, the next stock. All right, this stock is called SPE or Switchback Energy, I believe, and this one is extremely risky. Or is it? Currently, right now, I have 100 shares of this stock, and this is a spec stock, by the way. And what a spec stock is, it's a special purpose acquisition company, if I got that right. And pretty much, it's a merger. I'm sure you guys know about Nikola or Tattooed Chef. They merged with, Nikola merged with VTIQ, and Tattoo Chef merged with FMCI. It's an easier way for companies to get to the stock market rather than going the traditional way of IPOs. But what's interesting about this merger, guys, is that this company is with Chargepoint. And Chargepoint is a charging stations for EVs. Tesla. But we'll get to that in a minute. In my view, guys, charging stations at the moment right now is like the shovel and the pickaxe that you would give to miners when they go mine for gold during a gold rush. It's gonna make you rich. Right now, if you just look at the news, everyone's switching over to EVs, especially now that Joe Biden is going to be elected. He's going to be making electrical vehicles like the main thing in the United States. And we were going there anyways, but Joe Biden is gonna make it, come a lot faster, a lot faster. So this is why I'm saying, charging stations are going to be a fantastic business. The only thing is that right now it's heavily volatile, and that's because, the merger is not complete, and, you got people who are fear and scared that it might not get completed, but I really believe it will, and once it goes, we can expect a rally. The company Chargepoint right now is valued at $2.4 billion, and right now, Switchback or SPE, the merger, is valued at $650 million. So 4x your money? Why not? But in my view, guys, I really do believe in the electrical vehicle business right now. And I really do think that they are the future. So a company like Chargepoint is definitely going to be the bread and butter for this. Any recommendation I would say, if you guys really do believe in this like I do, I would say go ahead. I will bet my money, because right now it's not called investing, it's speculating, because, the merger might not happen. but I highly doubt that. It's definitely going to happen in my opinion. I'm looking to buy more of this after the merger because it's such a good business. This is going to thrive in the next 5 to 10, 15, 20 years. The next stock that I have here is CSIQ, or Canadian Solar, and I've talked about the stock recently. And if you guys want more details about that stock, check out the link over here or here, wherever it may be. But I do talk about and I do go into details with it on why this company is in a perfect position to grow. But to sum it up, guys, solar panels is projected to be close to 50% of all renewable energy generation. And the fact that solar panels are getting cheaper year over year, more businesses will be keen to invest into solar panels than any other kind of renewable energy source. And this is why CSIQ is in a perfect position to grow. If you just go ahead and look at the PE ratio, guys, it's below 10. Indicating that this stock is cheap at the moment. I bought 40 shares 2 months ago at the price of $30.51, and I'm already up 30%, which is absolutely insane. I'm definitely planning to buy more of CSIQ if it goes down in the mid 30s. I really hope it does. Guys, the potential of this company is so big. It's such a smart investment and a great long-term hold. And guys, don't forget Joe Biden's $2 trillion check to the renewable energy sector. Yeah. Quarter 3 2020 results will be out in the next few days or so. Whether it's good or bad because of the current situation that we are in, it's a fantastic long-term hold. The gains are just honestly inevitable. Inevitable. Yeah, inevitable. And if we look at the chart, guys, here, it has been choppy for the past few years, but recently it's on an uptrend, and I think it's going to continue because, again, Joe Biden's elected. I know I keep saying Joe Biden, but guys, it's a big deal. It really is. He is heavily on climate change. They are going to do whatever it takes to, make our earth greener, I guess you guys can say. So yeah, fantastic stock to buy for the next 10, 20, 30 years. And lastly, guys, I have here, it's Tesla. Lovely Tesla. Do I even need to explain why I bought Tesla? And if I do, just check out that link over here. I talked about it why. I've only got 6 shares of Tesla right now, and that's because it's really expensive, guys. It's not cheap. It's an expensive stock. And it's the only stock on my portfolio, renewable energy portfolio right now, that's actually down compared to the rest of them. But I kind of hope it kind of continues to go down because I would like to buy more. I would like to average down because at this point, Tesla has sealed the bag and they're here for a long time. And they're going to change the world for the better. Although the PE ratio is insane and the forward PE is still insane, this is the future. Just look at the earnings per share, guys. They've been crushing it. And just look at the latest quarter 3 2020 sales and profits. It's incredible. And there's nothing stopping Tesla right now. There's really nothing and nobody stopping Tesla. They are so ahead of their game that by the time that their competitors reach what they are now, they're going to be another 5-10 years step ahead of them. They're just such a good company and very, very smart and just ahead of the game big time. And I honestly, guys, really do think that Tesla is definitely going to be the most valued company in the world, even overtaking Apple. I know that's a big statement, but I really do believe this will happen in the years to come. This is such a good company, guys. I really do like this company. They have great visions, great people, great business, great products, and overall, a great leader. And so I will continue to buy on dips, like definitely if it keeps going lower, which I kind of do hope that it goes lower in the 300s, hopefully. Definitely will buy more of it. And yeah, Tesla all the way, guys. Tesla all the way. And not to mention, guys, Joe Biden, I know you heard that again, but he is going to be focusing more on getting more electric cars on the roads. So his plan is definitely going to help Tesla, because of its green energy plan, is definitely going to help with the regulation, and they're going to make them grow a lot faster. Overall, guys, my entire portfolio is up about 27% for the year so far, which is good. I'm happy with it. I will definitely make an update on my renewable energy stock every now and then. I want to show you guys that how it's doing, as well as to show you guys that, hey, the stock market is not a bad place to put your money. It's actually one of the best places that you can put your money. When you do your research and believe in something, you will get positive results. Sometimes you will get results beyond your imagination, kind of like what happened to Tesla earlier in the year. At the end of the day, guys, you're buying real companies. You're not buying some fake stuff or anything. You're buying actual shares of companies. You're becoming business owners. So why not buy companies and buy industries that you're really passionate in, like the renewable energy space? We already know that this sector is going to grow whether we like it or not. It's the future, and so it'll be very smart to capitalize it right now and enjoy the fruits in the future with our Lambos. If you guys enjoyed this video, then you guys will definitely enjoy these videos as well. As always, guys, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.